This poor BMW just sits out here unlocked with the windows down and the sunroof open, just getting snowed in and on. This is sad. It's so nice. Wonder who it belongs to. Hey, what's up guys? It's been a little while. Well, just about a week, so we're still on schedule for the next video, but I've been in Colorado for the last week, so I haven't been able to film. I tried to come back last night and play in my hockey game, but the game got canceled because there was a big drip of water going onto the middle of the rink, onto the blue line, so it would have made a giant rut in the ice, and then they would have had to worry about people tripping and falling and breaking their ankles and all that fun stuff, so they canceled it. So that's no fun, but that's whatever. So today we're headed up to Advanced Auto. I bought a 5-gallon jug of CRC Parts Cleaner. I'm hoping that it's what I think it is. It's the gunk parts cleaner. So usually people soak pistons in it and soak carbon-filled items in it that belong on an engine, and then it makes it really easy to wipe off. I do know that it's really strong, so if you leave aluminum in there for more than an hour, it'll start to deteriorate the zinc coating, but as long as you don't leave it in there for an hour, you should be straight. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab that, and I'm going to soak all of my carbon laced parts in it and then clean them all up so I can put my head back together and I can get ready to reassemble the engine. So see you guys in a... Oh shit, okay. Alright, so after a lot of wrestling, I got it open. Here's what I'm using, by the way. CRC Parts Wash Solvent. See how it does. Tractor Supply Co. sells something similar. It's called PSC 1000, but I'm not sure it's as strong as this, so I guess I'll try this out, and then eventually I'll grab the other one and see how that works, and then I'll let you know which one works better. I feel like the one that Tractor Supply Co.'s might be a little bit lighter of a solvent, so it might not do as much. But this stuff is like almost guaranteed to tear your carbon apart, so let's see how it does. Wow, that fits really well. Look at that. So, start a timer, let that sit for a while. Alright, so while this soaks, I guess I'll give you guys a little bit of an update on the VQ. So, Hexa Motorsports got my harness last Wednesday. They're on vacation for Memorial Day weekend, so I guess they didn't get to look at it until... I'm not even sure. They finally looked at it, and they came to the conclusion that the harness is just fine, which doesn't surprise me. However, I did not know that there were supposed to be relays plugged into the harness. I've never put together a car before, so, you know, obviously I wouldn't know that. And they said that they should have been in the box. However, I have a video of me opening the box. Alright, so the UPS guy just left this here. This, wow. Wow. everything appears to be in order. Yeah. And as you can see, there were no relays in it. So, you know, had I emptied the box and found 2 relays laying there on the ground, I would have, you know, put 2 and 2 together and figured out where I need to put them. But since they weren't there, I couldn't, you know, make that connection and then do it. So they're gonna finish making my harness plug and play like it was supposed to be to begin with, and then they're gonna send it back, and then it should start up. So given they're probably sending it through UPS, it might take over a week to get here, so, you know, we'll see. But in the meantime, we'll just keep on working on the 2J and stay optimistic about the 240, and then we'll get a start. Alright, so we've let this soak for another 45 minutes. About to pull it out, hit it with the Scotch-Brite, and get off all that head gasket. Alright, so I got the head pretty clean. I washed it with the hose, I dipped it all in the parts cleaner, I scrubbed it all off. Got it dry for the most part. So I got this here. And I'm gonna put all the valves and all the springs in there, keep them in order so I don't lose them and I don't mix up the order. But I'd like to straighten up and get the area ready for me to reassemble the head and lap the valves and do all that stuff. So I'm gonna draw it on here and then I'm going to get the valves in. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're new here, make sure to hit subscribe. And if you like the video, of course, hit the like button. It helps the channel grow. But on the next video, I'm going to be reassembling the 2J head, putting in brand new valve stem seals that I got from GSC Performance. They're a great option to go to if you want non-OEM, but still quality. And some even say that they're better than OEM quality valve seals for your 2J head. So once I get those in, I'll put the head back together, I'll lap all the valves, and that's what the video will be on. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.